Good morning, students. Today we will discuss question number 3 and 5 of exercise 7.3. Now question 3 is find the area of triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle whose vertices are 0, -1, 2, 1 and 0, 3. It means beta we have to find a area of the triangle which is formed by joining the midpoint of the given triangle and whose vertices are given. Next, find the ratio of this triangle, this area to the area of the given triangle. It means this area means the area of new triangle which is formed by joining the midpoint of the given triangle and the area of given triangle. Now the solution is, yes beta, according to the question, ABC is a given triangle and the coordinate of the vertices are given 0, -1, 2, 1 and 0, 3. Now beta, we will make new triangle which is formed by joining the midpoint of the given triangle. ठीक है, तो D is the midpoint of BC side, E is the midpoint of AC side and F is the midpoint of AB side. Now we will join these points B to D and E. So we will get a new triangle DEF. Clear beta? Now in this question we have to find the area of DEF triangle and ABC triangle. So first beta we will find the area of triangle ABC. You know very well in question number 1, 2, 4 already we have discussed this type of question. So first we will write the coordinate of one vertex, suppose A, so 0, -1, then second 2, 1, then third 0, 3 and again we will repeat first coordinate 0, -1. And now how to solve the question, you know very well. Area of triangle ABC 1 by 2. First we will cross multiply first two terms, 0 into 1 that is 0 minus 2 into -1. माइनस फॉर्मूले का है बेटा और माइनस यहाँ आ गया दोबारा, इट मीन्स इट बिकम्स प्लस 2. नाउ प्लस 2 3 जा 6 and 0 into 1 again 0. ठीक है, it is minus. Now beta we will multiply 0 into -1 in next bracket, so it is 0 minus 0 into 3, it is again 0. After solving you will get 1 by 2, 2 plus 6 plus 0 and you will get 1 by 2 into 8, that is 4. It means area of triangle ABC is 4 square unit. Now beta we will find the area of triangle DEF, but we don't know what are the vertices of the coordinates of D, E and F. So first we will find the coordinate of D, E and F. Yes beta, now we will find coordinate of D. We know very well D is the midpoint, so we will use midpoint formula. X1 plus X2 divided by 2. Here X1 is 2 and X2 is 0. So we will get 2 plus 0 by 2. It is 2 by 2 and the coordinate of X coordinate of D is 1. Similarly, we will find the coordinate of Y. Y1 plus Y2 divided by 2. Here Y1 is 1 and Y2 is 3. So we will add them and divide by 2. 1 plus 3 by 2, that is 4 by 2, it is 2. The coordinate of D, Y coordinate is 2. The coordinate of D is 1, 2. Similarly, we will find the coordinate of E. Similarly, we will use the formula and we will get 0 by 2. That any X coordinate is 0 and similarly Y coordinate is 1. Similarly, we will find the coordinate of F. Formula will remain same. X1 plus X2 by 2. You will get 0 plus 2 by 2. That is 2 by 2. It is again 1. And similarly, Y coordinate is 0. The coordinate of F is 1, 0. Now, we will find the area of triangle DEF. So, similarly, we will, yes beta, same as we will put the coordinates in the parallel lines. So, first coordinate of D is 1, 0. So 1, 2. Coordinate of E 0, 1 and coordinate of F 1, 0 and again we will repeat coordinate of D 1 into 2. Now we will cross multiply them 1 by 2, 1 into 1, 1 minus 2 into 0, that is 0. In second bracket 0 into 0 it is 0 minus 1 into 1 is 1 plus 1 into 2 is 2 minus again 1 into 0 is 0. After solving you will get 1 minus 1 plus 2 and you will get 2, that is 1. area of triangle DEF is 1 square unit beta. Now second part of this question is we have to find the ratio of new triangle to the given triangle. So new triangle is DEF and given triangle is ABC. So already we have found the area of DEF is 1 and area of triangle ABC is 4. Now ratio is 1:4. This is your question number 3 beta. Question number 5 is you have studied in class 9 chapter 9 example 3 that a median of a triangle divide it into two triangles of equal areas. Verify this result for triangle ABC whose vertices are A 4, -6, B 3, -2 and C 5, 2. Yes beta, which result we have to verify? The result is the median of a triangle divide that triangle in two equal areas. Okay beta, now the solution is, yes beta, according to the question ABC is a triangle that is given and vertices are 4, -6, B 3, -2 and C 5, 2. Now when we will draw the median AD, this median divide this triangle ABC in two equal areas triangle. Which triangles? ABD and ACD. It means area of ABD is equal to area of ACD. Now what we have to verify कि area of these two triangle are equal and half of the bigger triangle ABC. So first we will find the area of the larger triangle, that is ABC. Now we will write the coordinates 4, -6, then 3, -2, then 5, 2 and again we will repeat 4, -6. You know how to solve the question. Area of triangle ABC 1/2 cross multiply 4 into 2 that is -8 minus multiply 3 multiply -8. Again it become plus, that is 18. In second bracket again we will multiply 3 multiply 2 that is 6 and again minus साइन आएगा फॉर्मूले का और माइनस अगेन फिर मल्टीप्लाई करने का, दैट बिकम प्लस बेटा. तो दिस इज +10 एंड हेयर 5 multiply -6 that is -30 and 4 into 2 -8. After solving you will get 26 - 38 that is 1/2 into -12 that is -6 square unit. And beta I told you कि area cannot be negative, so area of triangle ABC is 6 square unit. Yes beta, now we will find the area of triangle ABD and ACD. So first requirement of our question is first we will find the coordinate of D and D is the midpoint. Median means कि when vertices meet the midpoint of the side then it is median. So D is the midpoint. Now we will find the coordinate of D. Again formula will remain same, x1 plus x2 by 2 you will get 4 and y coordinate is 0. Now we will find the area of triangle ABD. तो ABD में coordinate of A 4, -6, coordinate of B 3, -2 and coordinate of D already we have found that is 4, 0. Again we will repeat first coordinate 4, -6. Now you know how to solve the question. After solving you will get the area of this triangle is 3 square unit beta. Again it is -3, the area cannot be negative, you will take only positive value. Now area of triangle ACD, coordinate of A 4, -6, coordinate of C 5, 2, coordinate of D again that is 4, 0 and again we will repeat coordinate of A that is 4 into 6. Now you will solve the question and you will get 30 minus 26 it is 6. After solving you will get 3 square unit. Yes beta, area of triangle ABD is equal to area of triangle ACD that is 3 square unit, you already observed beta, and area of triangle ABC half and area of ABC we have found 6 unit square and area of ABD and ACD we have found 3. So this result is verified. At last we will write hence it is verified that a median of a triangle divide it into two triangles of equal areas. Yes beta, with this question your 7th chapter is completed and I hope you all will be able to complete this chapter.